Hello and welcome to the naturopathic vlog. My name is Jason Lee, naturopathic doctor, and I'm here to introduce Jacquie Sands as our new practitioner. Some of you may recognize Jacquie as working at our front desk for Intermedica for the past 4 years and our amazing administration team. She's also been the one responsible for all these awesome vlogs and videos and our emails, so it's been totally amazing working with her. But now something awesome has happened and Jacquie's transitioned to a new role in the clinic as an actual practitioner, sharing her love for people and her love of skincare with everybody. So she's decided to become a holistic skincare specialist, and she's here to talk about skincare. So Jacquie, tell me more about why you decided to become a holistic skincare therapist, and what exactly is a holistic skincare therapist?
I've always been interested in skincare. I've started having regular facials in my late 20s, but I wasn't always kind to my skin. I used to smoke heavily and I used to worship the sun, but it wasn't until I started coming to see you, Dr. Lee, that I took a little bit more of a holistic approach to skincare, and that kind of resonated throughout other areas in my life, and I started to see a holistic esthetician, and that's kind of what started my passion about skincare, and I kind of thought about considering doing it for a profession. Holistic aesthetics is a very hands-on aesthetics. I use a lot of lymphatic drainage, massage, aromatherapy, LED light therapy. It's more about a sense of a touch than it is using large equipment or machinery like you would in a medical aesthetics. A holistic skincare therapist is someone that specializes specifically in skin, whereas a regular esthetician would do pedicures and manicures. I specialize strictly in the face. So for example, my goal is to learn as much about a client's whole health so that I can understand how their skin evolved to where it is today when I see them. So I spend a fair amount of time asking questions at that first appointment to try to understand the root cause of their skin conditions instead of just recommending a product to mask their issues. Health history, and especially an in-depth skin analysis, is very important because I can't know which products to use on your skin at a facial if I don't know what your skin needs. So once I understand the skin's barrier function, the sensitivity level, then I'm able to recommend products that will help your skin.
And all the products you use are natural, I guess?
Yes, I use natural and organic, so I have both lines in the spa.
That's so important because, I mean, whatever you put in your skin absorbs into the body. The skin next to the blood is the second largest organ. So whatever you put on the skin, if it has ingredients you can't understand, it will go into the body, and the body has to deal with that as well. It can cause issues with lymphatic, can mess up the liver, or it can store in fat. So the fact that you use natural products and stuff, that's fantastic.
They're
that's
beautiful.
Great.
Yeah, I love my products a lot, actually.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
I tried some of them, they're pretty awesome.
Great.
So Jacquie, what kind of treatments do you offer at the clinic?
I have a keen interest in the science of skin, and especially skin rejuvenation. So I like to blend a little bit of both worlds in my treatment. So I do things like lymphatic drainage, I'll do oxygeneo facials, as well as collagen induction therapy, which is more commonly known as microneedling. So I like to have a few tools in my kit to be able to help people. And as well, I do beautiful relaxation facials, which are very therapeutic, and my 90-minute facial is very popular with clients at the clinic here. I recently added an LED light therapy to my treatment room, and it's excellent for killing P. acne, which is the the acne that causes bacteria. So I'm super happy to have something like that that's non-abrasive, it's not a chemical, and the results are amazing. So yeah, I love all those kind of things, but I'm really happy about the LED.
No, that's great, because usually the conventional treatments for killing Propionibacter acnes is usually antibiotic therapy, right? So they put antibiotic creams on the body or take antibiotics orally. So if you can kill it with an LED light, I mean, that's a heck of a lot better, right?
Yeah, and you can't be on Accutane or anything like that if you're going to do that.
That makes sense.
You have to be completely, off of that type of medication.
That's fantastic. Yeah. Right. On to home care. What would you say is your top favorite skincare treatment that people can do at home?
So that's a great question. One thing that I wish people would use every day is sunscreen, because the sun is everywhere. A lot of times clients will say, well, I only use it when I go on vacations, but you really need to use it every day because skin cancer is on the rise, and it's something that is so avoidable. Even looking after your skin by using the sunscreen, you will postpone aging by 10 to 15 years, because as you know, the UVA rays age people incredibly. So sunscreen is definitely a must. And number 2 is exfoliation. It's so simple to do. You can just leave it in your shower. You just need a small little bit, and then do it once a week. When you're in the shower, just think of it, and it helps with cell turnover. It helps with congestion, blackheads, things like that. And your products will work better at home because they don't have to go through multiple layers of dead skin, because your skin turns over once a month. And just think about it, if you never exfoliate, there's a lot of dead skin on your face. So exfoliation is great, and just do it gently, because it's a mechanical scrub, so you don't need to do the extra work. It does it for you.
Yeah, those are great home therapies. I mean, I always push the 2 big ones for me is always drink lots of water.
Totally.
I mean, that's absolutely huge. People don't drink any water. The skin is a water-driven organ.
So
it needs
true.
hydration, so
Yes.
water is huge. And the biggest thing as well is reducing coffee, alcohol, things like that, acidic foods. Anything that's acidic, the body can't lay down collagen properly. So the more acidic we are, the less collagen we lay down. Of course, it leads to wrinkles and other kinds of things. So those 2 things, along with the simple things you're doing, are great things people can do on a regular basis to help maintain their quality of skin.
Yes, and I see a lot of glycation, which is the cobblestone wrinkles,
Yep.
and that's also caused by a lot of sugars.
Yeah, sugars, anything like that. So yeah,
breads,
it's
things
interesting.
like
The skin is such a amazing organ. It helps us in so many ways, and you can work on externally and also internally as well, right?
Absolutely.
So yeah,
For sure.
cool, fantastic.
Thank you.
Okay, so Jackie, how can people get in touch with you?
Well, they can call the clinic always, or you can get in touch with me at my email below, right here. faceboss@JackieSands.com.
Fantastic.
Thank you.
Yeah, thanks a lot for doing this interview, and
Thanks so
it's
much,
been great
Jason.
having you at the clinic, not just as a min, but we're just so happy to have you here and have you be a part of the clinic now as a practitioner.